They have the support of most of their family, but LA's district attorney is throwing up a possible roadblock as the Menendez brothers fight to win their freedom. Thanks again for joining us here on ABC 7, Hulu, and wherever you stream. I'm Ellen Leyva.
And I'm David Ono. DA Nathan Hochman announced today that he does not support the resentencing of Eric and Lyle Menendez, saying that they have repeatedly lied about why they killed their parents.
Family members who support the brothers' release from prison are slamming that decision. And Eyewitness News reporter Rob Hayes is here with a look at what's next in this highly publicized case.
Yeah, the tide has definitely turned for the Menendez brothers. Last year, they had a DA in their corner, a mini-series painting a sympathetic view of their actions, and a push from the public to release them. But that momentum has definitely faded. Last year, when Lyle and Eric Menendez were hot on the trail to freedom, they had 3 clear paths. Today, it appears they're down to just one.
They do not meet the standards for rehabilitation.
Los Angeles District Attorney Nathan Hochman this morning announcing his office will not support the Menendez brothers' resentencing effort. Former DA George Gascon had initiated that move last year, and a resentencing hearing for the siblings is still expected to be held later this month. But Hochman says Lyle and Eric have yet to show full insight into their crimes.
They have told 20 different lies. They've actually admitted to 4 of them, but 16 lies remain unacknowledged. They persist in these lies to this very day.
After today's news conference, the extended Menendez family, which has been fighting for Lyle and Eric's release, accused Hochman of breaking a promise to keep politics out of his review, writing, "He appears fixated on their trauma-driven response to the killings in 1989, with blinders on to the fact that they were repeatedly abused, feared for their lives, and have atoned for their actions." Hochman's argument against resentencing, coupled with his opposition to a new trial, has put a serious dent into the brothers' chances of being released. Legal expert Joshua Ritter says the judge in the upcoming resentencing hearing is unlikely to rule against Hochman after today's announcement.
And he's brought the receipts. He's done his research, 60 pages worth of just a summary of the facts of the case alone. That is going to be very difficult for a judge to say, in spite of all of that, and in spite of even the law, I'm going to make an exception in this case.
Meantime, Governor Gavin Newsom chimed in today as well. He's proposing a new process that would make it easier for inmates to have their sentences shortened by requiring the parole board to conduct risk assessments before recommending a resentencing or commutation. "Justice may be blind," he wrote, "but we shouldn't be in the dark when determining if someone is rehabilitated, safe, and ready to leave prison." And another development today, a member of the extended Menendez family has filed a complaint with the U.S. Attorney's Office, accusing Hochman of being hostile and patronizing. She wants Hochman removed from the case. David?
And the drama continues. Rob, thank you for that report.